If you want to avail a real estate property here in the Philippines or avail a housing loan, most commonly or oftentimes they will ask you for a valid IDs. So here are some of the most common valid IDs in the Philippines. So first, we have the passport. The second, we have the SSSID or the UMID for private employees. Then third, we have the GSIS ID for the government employees. Then we have the driver's license. We have the PRC ID. Then we have the voter's ID. And we have also the national ID. So these are just some most common valid IDs used in applying